Hello! You must be here because you're interested in multiplying your business to six figures or taking your multi-six figure, multi-seven figure business to multi-seven figures, which is what I specialize in. I'm here today to talk to you about an aha moment I had with a client today. So I was meeting with her and talking with her, one of her team members, and she was saying, oh my goodness, like this is a really big moment of I didn't know what I didn't know, right? I don't know what I don't know. And if you may or may not have heard that before for yourself, but it's the concept where you're moving along, you have goals, you have things that you want to do, you want to achieve, you want to create in the world, but you don't actually know the things that are holding you back. You don't know what is possible for yourself in your business. And as we were talking through how we were going to streamline her processes, make her a lot more money, save them a crazy amount of time and money in her business, she was just like having a holy cow, I didn't know what I didn't know moment. And it was beautiful, right? This is actually something that happens a lot with my clients. They're like, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize this was possible. And it's so easy. And so that is what I want to kind of put to you right now. What goal have you been working towards? Are you working towards that multi-six figure business for yourself? Or maybe you're at multi-six figures or multi-seven figures and you're looking to get to that multi-seven figure place. If that's you, I'm your girl. I'm your lady. This is what I specialize in. It's what I love to do. I love to create a life and a business for you where you're able to literally thrive. You have balance. You're not working like a crazy person and you're making more money, right? You can have it all, and I have been doing this for over 9 years and love watching my clients transform and flourish and make an even bigger impact in the world while they bring in a heck of a lot more money with a heck of a lot less time spent working. If that interests you, I do have some special opportunities coming up that if you want to be in on what those are, put a comment below, send me a message, let's connect so that we can see if you're ready to really get yourself to those multi-six figures or just blow the socks off things and take your multi-six, multi-seven figure business to multi-seven figures. Like, let's do this. It's going to be fun. My clients get results really quickly and then they're sustainable and they are long lasting. I have clients from years ago who still say to me, oh my gosh, everything you did changed everything and that's why I'm where I am today, right? And it's possible. It's possible for everything to be easier, for you to know where everything is, for you to feel that the piece of having more money and also the piece of not having to carry the heavy weight of what entrepreneurship is. So I invite you to comment below if you want to be one of the first people to know about the juicy opportunities I have coming up. And I hope that you have a beautiful day, a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.